Hi, I'm Bob from Bob's Workshop. Today is Monday, April 8th, 2024, and I thought I'd give you a little heads up for what's coming this week from Bob's Workshop. I'm going to be painting a Plasticville Tower that I cut in half. I'm painting the lower section this week. Last week, I painted the upper section, and that turned out pretty good. This is a bit of a more modest structure. So I hope to get that done before Sunday. And the other thing I'm working on, since I made some decals that became signs on the upper part of the Plasticville switch tower, I'm also making some signs for the lower part. And I made that retaining wall a week or so ago. And I think that could use a sign also. So using a mixture of sheet plastic, styrene, and some inkjet decal paper. I'll be making some signs this week and painting one building. So, I will see you in the next video. Take care.